Hey guys, welcome to another episode. We are heading to Government University today to find out what people actually think about freelancing and work from home, even find out whether they've heard about Upwork. So I don't know how it's going to end, but I hope we find some people who are now on Upwork or something of that nature. Stay tuned.
Audible Talents. Welcome to another edition. Today, we're actually going into Godfrey Okoye University. It's one of the universities, randomly picked university in Enugu here. We're going to find out how many people have heard about freelancing and how many people know about Upwork in general. So stay tuned and follow us on our ride. So what's up, guys? This is Kennedy from Godfrey Okoye University. All right, guys. Here we are here to interview or to also talk about freelancing with what's your name? Tonya and Amaka. Okay. Hello, guys. We are here at the Alpha Fitness brand. You can see this. We are here with Chekube. Chekube is actually a fitness guy. We're not here for fitness. We are here to ask him whether he has any knowledge about freelancing in general. So Chekube, let's search him. So guys, I want you to meet someone. Finally, we found someone on Upwork. So what's the name?
My name is Mary.
Mary, yes, but I'll have to ask you now. Have you heard about freelancing before?
Yes,
Okay, you may want to speak louder so that yes, you have. Okay. What did you hear about freelancing?
I think it's one of the side hustles that most people engage in during their free
time.
Yeah, and it's mostly online.
Do you first, Amaka? Have you heard about freelancing before? Like freelancing, working from anywhere in the world, working from home. You've not heard about freelancing before? It's just what? Have you heard of work from home? Work from home, where you actually stay in your house and you work and you make money. You have heard about that? Okay. Have you heard anything about?
I've heard about his actually make money from home.
Yeah.
Very easy and comfortable.
Yes. At what point in your life did you realize this? How old are you?
It's
22 years. At what year? Like last year or 2 years ago? What year?
Let me just say last year.
I heard about it. Yeah. Actually, this pool is about looking for people who have heard about freelancing or work from home or Upwork. Mary, tell us when you signed up on Upwork.
I signed up last year, March, after Children's Day. That should be before Children's Day. Children's Day is 27.
Okay.
I signed up on the 26th of March, 2024.
Yeah.
It's kind of difficult for me, but it's quite an
interesting journey.
Yeah.
Now, what is a soft skill that you're actually selling or on Upwork?
Okay. I go mostly to write for people. I'm a copywriter.
Wow.
I write for landing pages.
Now, do you have a digital skill that you intend to sell?
Yeah. In school, I'm studying computer engineering.
Yeah.
And I'm also mostly programming. And then I'm very, very good at this.
So we're interested in going out to sell the world in the future. Yeah, we'll be looking at for that. So we want to actually see you make real money online. Yeah, digital skill. What digital skill do you have? What digital skill do you have? That you have a graphic designer. Wow, is that something that you have designed before?
Yeah, the Washington.
Okay, we would like to see that maybe later. We'll let you know so that's how we can actually show our audience. But have you heard about Upwork?
No.
But we're talking about freelancing sites. Which freelancing site do you know about? You don't think, okay, wow. So, and you are in year 1, you are in year 2. Now, Upwork can actually change your life in the sense that you can learn a digital skill and you get on the platform and you start earning money because clients will start contacting you. You are in year 2 and you are in year 1. It does not mean that you have to wait till you leave school for you to start making money. you can start making money now with your laptop. You have free Wi-Fi in this school. You have laptops. So what are you doing with your laptops? Have you made money on Upwork?
No.
Nah.
And I need to urgently.
Yeah, because just for the record, this is a video coming from Audible Talents.
Okay.
So Audible Talents is also like one of those agencies that mentor you. But unfortunately, those guys did not mentor you. They're supposed to mentor you until you get a job. That's what Audible Talent does.
Okay.
So I know you are going to be interested, and quite frankly, you are going to meet wonderful guys in our team. You are going to meet Tokwe is a visual assistant. She's top rated plus freelancer. She has worked with Fortune 500 companies.
Okay.
So you'll be very, very interested to meet Tokwe. So thank you so much for jumping on our pool.
Thank you.
So